สวัสดีครับ Welcome to my dish channel. I'm Jim. Back to the kitchen again. Long time no see, huh? Alright, today we will start cooking curry powder stir fry. Today I will use shrimp, but you can use any types of meat. Let's check out what we need first. We start cutting veggies first. Start from onions. You know how to cut it already. Okay? Keep the top and then you keep slicing it down. Alright? Keep slicing it down. Yes. Yes. And then you cut the head off and then spread it out. You will get this. Alright? It won't make you cry no more. And this one we separate it first. Yes. Okay. Next one is the pepper, banana pepper. Cut it in angle. This one we use to garnish. It gives you more color. As many as you like. And then this one we put into the bowl first. Spring onions. Cut the root off. And then around 1.5 inches. Make it equal all the way to the top. The very top part, you just throw it away. We don't need it. And then for the white stem, right? It's too big, so cut it half in a long way. Oops. Yes. And then you put it together with the pepper. This one we put it at last. Because if you cook it too long, it shrinks. Cool. And then garlic. Crush it. And then mince it well. I like garlic, so I put more. Yes. And then you just mince it. Keep going. Little bit more. I like to be able to chew it a little bit, so I don't make it too fine. Oops. Yes, I like garlic, so just roughly mince it, it should be okay. And then you put into the separate bowl. Yep. And then we will make the sauce. Alright? Curry powder. But this one I mix it with the turmeric a little bit to give you the color. Like a yellow color. Sugar. Fish sauce. Oyster. I like oyster. So yum. Okay? Chili paste in oil. But this one is normal one. We have one with the, for tom yum also, right? I told you already. But this one is normal one. The same as in cashew nuts with chicken. And then evaporated milk. Yes. And then you mix it well. Keep stirring, mix it well. Oops. Yes. No lump of chili paste in oil. Yes. And then we put egg in. 1 egg should be enough. And then you stir it like omelette, but we don't want bubble. So slow, mix it well. Yes, oh beautiful. Smells so good. Hungry. Yes, no bubbles. Oh yum. Start cooking. Okay, heat it up. Medium heat, and then a little bit of oil. Not too much, and then warm it up. Around 10 or 15 seconds. Then put garlic first. Yes, and keep cooking until garlic turn a little bit light yellow, or until you get the smell. Oh, smells so good. Yes. Keep moving, keep moving. Oh, I can smell it already. And then you put all the shrimps in. And keep cooking. Yes. All right. All right. Shrimp cook very fast. See? So I will put onions in. You can use pork or chicken also. All right, and keep going. Yes. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yes, I like the onions a little bit soft, so I cook it more. Yes. Ooh, beautiful. Yes, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. Okay. Shrimp's nearly cooked, you put all the sauce in. Alright? Yes. And keep stirring. Yes. Keep stirring. We want the sauce thick. Yes. Yes. Be careful. See? See? It's getting thicker and thicker. Can you see it? And then just a little bit of water. Yes. 1 or 2 tablespoons to make it juicy. Oh, beautiful. Yes. See? Not too dry and not too wet. And then turn the gas off. Put all veggies in. Spring onion and pepper. And then mix it well. 10 seconds. Oops. Yes. A little bit messy. And then you're done. Put it on the plate. Yes. Beautiful. There you have it. All right, it's not so difficult, right? Hope you can make it back home. And now Phuket is reopened again, called Phuket Sandbox. A little bit more of documents, but it's not too difficult for you to get in here. Hope to see you more around here. Thank you for watching. Wish you were here.